Hey guys, so I'm doing a sketching workshop because I want to learn how to draw, and Becky knows how to draw. This channel right here. Hold on, let me click. It's shorter. Becky Ko. I don't know how to say her name. She only says Becky when she introduces her videos. So I bought her sketching workshop, which is like 2.5 hours long. And look, working on this, I'm doing it. I think I'm doing it. I followed along, and that's the best thing I've ever done. So, anyway, I wanted to see how to work with this thing. Oh, here's my painting. Here's my new painting. Hold on, hold on. Ta-ta! I used these paints. I love these paints, and I love how they didn't blend, but they blended a different way than other watercolors do. You know what I mean? Like watercolors blend a certain way, even if they're cheap, but this stuff blends different, and I really love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, I like the edges right here. Made it look like grass was growing out of the edge onto the porch area. I don't know. I had fun drawing that. Okay, so let's see. This this thing right here. Ta-ta. Oh, you can see in the reflection. This is for clay, smushing clay and making it flat. So I want to see if it'll work. So we are going to try it. All right, I'm going to put it on the side of my table here. All right. And then I'm going to open one of these. Maybe I'll just do this color. Okay, let's see. Do I have scissors anywhere? Let me get my scissors. Ta-ta. Oh, so I went to Michael's yesterday to buy this. And on the rack, right, it said they were $1.79 each. And then on the other side, like there was, okay, pretend this is the rack. This from here to here, right? Well, over here, there was a price tag that I didn't see. And over here, there was a price tag I didn't see because everybody in the whole world looks in the middle. This is where a price tag was, right in the middle, and it said $1.79. But over here it said $2.99, and over here it said $2.99. The lady at Michael's was so nasty to me because I was like, "Well, you see the price tags right here." And it was like literally right in front of these packages that I bought. It said $1.79. She goes, "Yeah, well, that's wrong because the prices are always to the right." And I'm like, "Well, how would I know that?" "Well, from now on, now you know." And she was nasty about it. I was like, Jesus Christ. I was like, I can't catch a break with people in the human race lately. I swear to God. Like, what is going on with the world? I don't understand. I really don't. Let me back this up a little bit more. I'm really having a hard time with humans lately. Like, I keep meeting like super cool people, right? And it makes me go, okay, the human race is okay. Like this one girl, she stopped by and she was like, "Hey, yeah, we'll go do this together, blah blah blah." I'm like, so cool, because I haven't seen a lot of my old friends in a while. But she literally went out of her way to come and say hi to me, right? And then what happens? She just doesn't call me back. I gave her my phone number. She gave me hers. I texted her. I'm like, "Hey, Yeah, yeah, definitely. I'll get it. We can get whatever day is good for you. Because she's like, you want to get together? And I was like, definitely, you know? And then, sorry, something got stuck. Uh, so I was like, yeah, definitely. I want to go. That would be great. I'll meet you, whatever day. How about tomorrow? Yeah, oh, I can't do it tomorrow. What about, another day? And I'm like, whatever day, because I'm like, basically, I'm disabled, so I don't work, right? So anyway, what happens? She like blows me off, like completely blows me off. I'm like, that was weird. Okay, first off, there's numbers over here, and I'm gonna go start at 9. That makes it the widest. It gets wider here, and 1 is like it gets really really tight. Okay, let's see what happens. So yeah, I thought, okay, that was really really weird that she went out of her way to come say hello to me or whatever, and then she blows me off. I don't know. It's so freaking weird to me. Oh, I'm gonna put this on so it'll stay on the table. So yeah, that just goes along with the people stealing the paint and stealing all the brushes and just stealing the buckets and everything that was out there for the community painting. And then that Karen who just thought, oh, I'm going to paint over everybody else's. Somebody wrote me in the comments that they had somebody tagging like their skate park, and some rival artist who was jealous of the guy went and painted over his tag. I'm like, that is craziness. Ooh, oh my God, the thing works. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it got smushed. Okay, it got smushed. That was my fault. Okay, let's try this again. You know what? I'm gonna start again. Okay, ready? The handle comes off. Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. This thing actually works. Okay, wait. I want to pull the clay out. There he goes. Okay. Uh-oh, it's stuck on something up there. Okay, I see. What? You see, what happened? It's so long. It reminds me of that taffy candy. I wonder if I'm doing something wrong here. Hold on. I got an idea. All right. I'm going to put it in this way now. Oh. Yeah, hold on. Okay. All right. Let me get the corners. Okay. All right. Let's see if this will work. Holy crap. Okay. Ta-ta. Hey, look at that. Oh, this is going to be so much fun to make jewelry with, because I am really really terrible at using a roller and trying to make them flat. Oh my God, this is so awesome. Okay. Oh yeah, we're going to make some beads. Definitely. All right, let me see. Let me try this again. What is under here that keeps getting stuck? Oh, you know why? Because it's supposed to go out the other way. So I'm supposed to pull it out this way. It's supposed to come out this way. What? Oh, backwards. Sorry. It's supposed to go backward. Come out this way. It has like a smooth edge here, and has a worse, like a sharp edge on the other side. So it's supposed to apparently come out that way. So I got it. Hi, I could see you. But at least it works. I'm happy. I got this on sale at such a low price. It's usually $40, but I barely paid $8 for this thing, and I really wanted it. And yeah, so anyway, I never usually have that kind of um, situation happen to me at Michael's. They're usually really really nice, but yeah, not this time. Nope, nope, not even a little bit. I couldn't believe how mean the woman was and nasty. I don't know, maybe that's just what's happening in the world now. Go it that way, go it that way, go it that way, okay. That was fun. That's fun. Okay, so it works. So if you go to Michael's, oh, let me show you the box. Come with me. Here it is. It's a clay pasta machine by Craftsmart. You know, they make some really affordable stuff. You know what I mean? But sometimes their stuff doesn't really work very good. But this actually works really, really good. I'm very surprised. Though there's no way, like on the picture right here, the clay is leaning on that. There's no way it would just get stuck on it. It would just stop and just rip it off. And it doesn't come out like that without you pulling it. All right, that's pretty cool. I'll show, if you want to read it, you can pause it. Okay. So, anyway, that's what I wanted to show you guys. And I'm trying not to give up on the human race now. Hope you guys are doing good. All right, guys. When I get some jewelry or beads made, I'll do a video on like showing you the beads, and then maybe like showing you how I made the bead. Okay. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.